Adding Printful products to Shopify is easy with the integration between the two platforms. Follow these steps to set up your store. Connect Printful to Shopify. In your Printful dashboard, go to Stores, Add Store. Select Shopify and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This will sync Printful with your Shopify store. Browse Printful's product catalog. In the Printful dashboard, explore the product catalog, including apparel, accessories, and home decor. Choose the items you want to sell. Design your products. Use Printful's design tool to upload your artwork or create custom designs. Preview your designs to ensure they look great on the selected products. Set product details. Add product descriptions, set pricing, and select product variants. Make sure to apply an appropriate markup to cover production costs and earn a profit. Publish products to Shopify. After finalizing your product, click Add to Store. This will automatically publish the product to your Shopify store. Check Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel to review the product listing. Make any final adjustments to the product description or tags.